This twin turbo V8 monster is in for service. The customer recently acquired this car that has 98,000 miles on it, and it just started popping up saying that it has a drivetrain malfunction. We drove the car and shortly realized that the car was misfiring anytime you're at about 25% load or more. So the first thing that we're going to do is take a good look at the spark plugs and the coil packs. While we are in there looking at the spark plugs and the coil packs, we will take note of which cylinders are misfiring and take a good look inside of those cylinders and do a compression check. After that, we'll be changing out the transmission filter and the transmission fluid with 7 liters of this top tech